Hey, good afternoon. Today I got my daughter's car. We're gonna change some brake pads with the front and back. Okay, doke. There you go. Here's the brake pads we're gonna use. Akibono, one of a good one. Don't skimp on brake pads. You need them. The rotor is still good, so we're not going to replace those, just the brake pads. For safety, make sure you put some jack stand for your safety. There we go. Good. On this one we need I think it's 14 millimeter. Okay, let me get some stuff. That's good. There we go. I was tightening it. That's one. Okay. Get my gloves so I won't get dirty hand. That's two. There we go. Okay, just put it there, but we're gonna tie it just in case so that won't fall on us. Okay. Then we'll check if this has nice free. Check this boot, make sure they move freely. This one is kind of, there you go. But we'll put some grease. Looks like it needs some grease. Okay. Okay. See, this one is already very thin. Needs to be replaced. So this is inner. That's where the, see this one, indicator, it's getting close. Okay, so it's time to replace. That's inner and this is outer. Okay, and then let's see what we have here. Okay, we got the pads, we got the indicator, so we're gonna get in a high temp grease, molly brake lube, but we have some grease. But first you gotta get one of the boots. Okay, so we could clean it and grease it. So this is kind of hard. This is, see how easy, this is a little bit hard, so I need grease. What you need to do is pull it out, okay, and then see, just remove the boots. There we go. And just pull it all out. Do this one at a time because this one has that thing here, a gasket, and that one doesn't have. So we'll just do one at a time. Let me just get a paper towel to clean it, and then we'll grease it. Make sure you clean it really good. Okay. See that one? Has the plastic kind of gasket. Okay. Nice and clean. Okay. Now we gotta put some grease. You don't have to put too much, just a little bit. That's good. See? Then put it back. Make sure that boot goes all the way. There we go. See? Now it's doing good. Okay, now we gotta do this one too. Just pull it out. Let's clean it. See, this one didn't have that boot, so okay, now we'll grease it a little bit. And just put it back in. Okay, make sure that boot goes all the way in. There you go. So make sure it's all the way. And we turn around, see? Make sure it's all the way. There you go. Nice and greasy. Okay. Now we're gonna put the brake pads easy. Make sure you grease this thing where it slides in. Okay. Let's get the molly. See, we'll just use this one. We'll need to grease this here. But I think we're just gonna grease it the parts. Alright. I put the wear indicator. Just copy this, make sure where it is. You see it's in the bottom. So and this is the inside. And then we'll grease here and here where it contacts. Go. Then we just snap this in. Has to be straight. Hold on. There we go. Just snap it in. And then this one, same deal. Let's lube it first and then we'll snap it in. Look, and we just snap them in. Okay, make sure in. Good deal. Okay. Once you put there, we'll just put this back. We'll just turn it around. Oh, I forgot. We have to press this all the way. So what to do that? You gotta press this cylinder inside. To do that, just put an old brake pad and we'll get a thing to press it. Let's see if this thing works. Sometimes this thing works, sometimes you'll get another one. There we go. See? There you go. Just put that there and here and just press it. Okay, there we go. That's it. Easy. And then we'll just make sure this is straight, it's not being bent. Okay, one more thing. Meet your brake pads, put a little bit of grease. Let's put a little bit of grease. Okay, inside here. Okay, a little bit, and then here outside. That's it, just a little bit, so it won't squeal. Okay, once we have those, we could put our bolt. Okay, we gotta tighten that, and then we're done. Then we'll do the other side, and then once we do the other side, I'll show you how to do the front one. Okay, now we're gonna start the front one. We're done the back side. Now we'll try the front one. See if we can get it. This is a little bit one. This is a 2-piston caliper, so these are a little bit bigger. And the caliper, much bigger. Okay, this one has the new hardware, so we're gonna put those. And here's those rear indicator, 4 of them. And here are the brake pads, much bigger. Now let's remove the 14mm. Look it up. There's one up here. There we go. And there's another down here. Let's get this one first. The one down here. Okay. Sure, it's a reverse. Nope. There we go. That's one. Two. There we go. Just remove this. There we go. Then we're gonna swing this up. There we go. It's a heavy one. Just put it up here and then put it back later. Okay. This one has those retainer. See? They keep them open. See how thin they are? Time to replace. Easy. Just remove this first, and then later when we put it back, we're gonna clamp it so it won't be keep opening. Or put that down first. Okay. I guess this star. We get our pliers. They don't want to come out. There we go. There's one. There's two. You gotta push them out. They're kind of big. There we go. One. That's the inner. That's outer. There's the inner. Okay. Just push them out. There we go. Okay. The wear indicator are on top. Both of them has wear indicator. They're getting close. Very close. Okay. Because this one, we have to replace this. The easier, you just get a pliers. There we go. Let's replace them one at a time so you won't get confused. Just pull them out. There we go. There we go. Just one. So let's check on this one first, okay? Here they are. Just match them. Okay, so this one came out like this. Okay. See, they match. So, easy enough. Just put it in. There we go. That's just like that. Make sure it's not hitting it. That's one. Let's change the top one. Just do it one at a time so it won't get confused. There's two. Then find the matching one. Okay? Nope. See? That doesn't match. Opposite. Now that one match. Okay, doke. That thing matched now. So we'll put it in. That should be. See? Now that match. Back there. Now we'll put the other side. Okay. Now we already put them. Okay, we're gonna remove this and grease them. Clean them and grease them. Want it? Oh, this thing is, oh, they're hard. See? These are hard. There we go. There we go. Much better. One at a time. Okay? Because the bottom one has the I'll show that little plastic grommet. Just clean them really good. Okay? There we go. And now we'll just put some grease. Not too much, just a little bit. There we go. See, now they're easy. Okay, now the bottom one. Bottom one is, make sure the boot, be careful with the boot, don't destroy the boot. So, there we go. So, it's kind of hard to remove. See, that one has a little grommet. So we'll clean this one too. Okay. That little grommet, that's always in the bottom. Okay. Let's grease them to make sure. I'll check it. See, I'll check it, make sure they're all the way in. See, push it. Look. There we go. Once it gets in, it pops in. So I'll remove some of the grease. Too much. Okay. I'll try just a little bit. So make sure the rubber bushing is all the way in. There we go. Nice and smooth now. Okay. Now we're gonna push the piston. This is a double piston, so we use one of these. Okay. I will try to push it. Okay, push it all the way in. Okay, doke. Just one piston at a time. That'll be fine. Okay, that's all the way in. Now we'll do the other side. Now we'll do the other side. Make sure you get them all the way in. pads. Yep, they're all the way in. Okay, now we're gonna get our brake pads. We're gonna match where the rear indicators are. There's the wear indicators. There's 4 of them, 2 each. That one. Here's the outer pads. And it's this side. There we go. So this is, I tell this is the inner because it has those 2 holes. So we should be over there. But before we do that, let's grease some of the parts, okay? We want to grease all of this here so they won't be noisy. Let me put some more light. There we go. Just let's see. Just grease some of the brake slides. Just there on the top one. Don't touch the rotors. There you go. That's it. Okay. Here's the inner brake. Indicators are always on top. Okay. Put the bottom on the top. Slide. Push, that's it. Okay, it's in there. And then the outer one, push, same deal. Should be inside. There we go. Let's make sure. Here's gotta put the spreader, okay? 2 of them. They got holes here and there. The only problem is you need 3 hands. So put the spreader. So the technique is some people will start it, but if you have a clamp, use a clamp just to hold it, okay? Don't put too much pressure. Okay. And now, so that when you put this, it will hold it. There you go. Those are just spreaders. There's 2 of them each side. Okay. See that? There's one at the top, one in the bottom. Holes are right there. Okay. See that? You see where's the other one? Ah, see it now? Okay, see? Those are just spreaders. Okay, now the technique. Put this without them falling apart. Okay. So up, let's grease this. Where it touches. Don't get too much grease. Just grease the inside. Bit there. Good enough. Now this is the hopefully it won't spread. Start it. Okay, let's start it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now this one. The technique is those spreaders. If it's not gonna hold, it will come out. Okay, that's about it. Now let's tighten it. And we're done. And then we'll do the other part, and that's it. Just do the other part and you're done. I start with this one and then I'll check it with the regular ratchet. There we go. Good. Okay, that's it. We're all done. And make sure once you do that, before you get up, test your brakes. Sit them in so that when you test drive, you'll be okay. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.